Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken stock for risotto. This method ensures a rich, clear broth, perfect for your creamy dish. We will start by gathering our key ingredients: about 2 pounds of chicken bones, 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Don't forget a few sprigs of fresh parsley and 1 or 2 bay leaves. Using cold water is essential for a gradual flavor extraction. Now let's get cooking. Place all your chicken bones and vegetables into a large stock pot. Pour in approximately 3 quarts of cold water, ensuring everything is fully submerged. Slowly bring the pot to a very gentle simmer over medium-low heat. It is vital to avoid a vigorous boil, as this can make your stock cloudy. As it heats, use a ladle or spoon to carefully skim off any impurities that float to the top. For truly exceptional flavor, allow your stock to simmer gently for a minimum of 3 to 4 hours. Resist the urge to stir, as this can also contribute to cloudiness. The longer it simmers, the more robust the chicken flavor will become. Once simmering is complete, carefully strain the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve or a colander lined with cheesecloth. Discard all the cooked bones and vegetables, leaving only the golden, aromatic liquid. Proper cooling and storage are crucial for safety and freshness. Once strained, cool your stock as quickly as possible. You can place the pot in an ice bath or divide the hot liquid into smaller, shallow containers. Once completely cool, transfer the stock to airtight containers. It will keep beautifully in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. For longer storage, freeze it for several months, ready for your next delicious risotto.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.